This Buick Encore boasts a turbocharged I4 1.4L/83 engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, includes driver shift control, STD, seats, front bucket, STD, Essence preferred equipment group includes standard equipment. This Buick Encore features the following options: engine, ECOTEC TURBO 1.4 liters variable valve timing DOHC 4-cylinder sequential MFI, 138 horsepower, 102.9 kilowatts, at 4,900 revolutions per minute, 148 pounds-to-foot of torque, 199.8 Nm, at 1,850 revolutions per minute, STD, ebony, leather appointed seat trim, coastal blue metallic includes, CN5, black carbon metallic lower exterior accent color, paint code W700S, wipers, front intermittent with pulse washers, wiper, rear intermittent, windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power, rear with express down, window, power with front passenger express down, window, power with driver express up/down, wheels, 18, 45.7, aluminum with technical gray pockets. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9T3L3 can get you a tried and true Encore today.